Hanging out here at Super Dirt Week. We are here. Let's give you a reference. There's the racetrack up there. Albany Street runs right through there. And of course, our friend Jason Simmons is here as well. He's in the shadows because we're looking at the sun. So let's take a look around. There's the Speedway. Jason, is this that new camping area that you guys expanded this year?
Well, this is the original black lot. We started expanding up the hill to the right. No hookups or nothing, but we took all the sod and everything out and put a bunch of millings in. Quite a bit more room. You know, I don't know if the future plans will probably include more hookups and everything, but for now there's some drier, leveler area for more RVs. Obviously, there's always a need for camping here, so
yeah,
we try to make as much as possible.
So how many new spots, if you had to guess, were added this year?
I'd say probably 80.
That many?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if you get, you know, I'd say 80.
And they're all sold out?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
There's never, it seems to be enough.
So there we are looking up East Albany Street right there to the Speedway. And now people get through here. If they got campers, they can get through there, right?
Yeah,
is that how it works?
Yeah, and I'm not 100% sure if all that area up there is going to be for camping. I think some is going to be parking, but you know, it's where they decide it's going to be most useful. But yeah, that's gate 2 down there.
Has it been busy like this all day, Jason?
It hasn't been too bad. Yesterday was really busy.
Oh, it was? Okay.
And you know, it's just people have been funneling in a little at a time. Yesterday got a decent rush. The grounds have dried up pretty good for the most part, considering all the rain. We do have some water obviously still coming down these hills in some spots. A couple.
Like right here.
Yeah. Yep. But you know, for the most part, what it was a week ago was not looking good at all. But you know, the weather's been cooperating, so I think we're in pretty good shape as far as that goes. Might be a little rain later in the week, but let's hope there ain't much of anything to worry about. Yeah,
they're saying Friday, I think it's 50% or something like that. So hopefully the track will be nice and settled in by then and all of that. So here's the racetrack. You can see that's turn 4. Yep. Of course, we want to thank our new friends at Bobcat of Finger Lakes, and of course Jason. He always does a lot to help me out at this. So seriously, Jason, thank you so much. I don't know about you guys, but I know we all have a little bit of extra stress kind of coming into Super Dirt Week. You know, too many unknowns. Did I remember this? Did I take care of that? You're kind of the same way, aren't you, Jason?
Yeah, you know, it's always a part of the year I got to pretty much leave the month opened up just to help get things done for these guys and for the track, and you know, make sure everything goes smoothly, because there's a lot of work that goes into putting this together every year. I feel everybody's gotten better every year. And,
I think so too. You
know, you always run into the unknowns. It's just part of the business, but I think everybody at World Racing Group does a great job handling it. Jeff Hockin does a really great job with running things. You know, there's the tech area. And
yeah, and look, we did put some videos up. We got one up from Troyer Dirt Car today. I wondered what that was. That's you. Okay, yeah. All right. I don't know what that was. It's pretty loud. So, yep. And we also got Frank Simonetti from Swift Springs to give you some tips. So you see some race cars are here. Yep. And this is 4:30. This is where right behind the grandstand, obviously. And this is where the food trucks will be set up, starting, I believe, tomorrow. So make sure to stop by and see Garofalo's local business right here in Oswego. I don't know if they're bringing the sub shop with them. I hope so. But we'll see. Are we going to make it by here, Jason, or not?
We're going to try.
We're going to try. I don't know, man. I think it looks a little narrower than what we are. So, uh-oh. Oh, we posed the mirrors in? Really? We're going to make it. I didn't think we were going to make that. There's Garofalo's. They're all set up.
Great. So
there's the go-kart track.
Yeah, we'll go down to gate 2 here. Maybe we'll get a peek at the track.
Yeah, and I hope you guys caught this, but there's a new gate. This is where they're going to come off. So this is the very end of the grandstand here, over in turn 2. I was here right after they poured the concrete, so I'm kind of curious what it's going to look like now. Oh, yeah. Can we actually go out there?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are getting an extra special trip this time. Yeah, this looks... Does that need to be flattened a little bit? Is that going to high side them a little bit?
Rollers coming out. You know, I think it's going to be pretty good. The track looks good. Looks like Jeremy got all the wet areas out for the most part he was worried about. But,
okay.
I'm going to get here, but I'll show you how all the cars are going to exit.
Okay. Spent a lot of time in this infield this year. It was a lot of fun, man. Yeah. Getting to know a lot of the Oswego guys.
Here too, for a long time. It's kind of cool going through both aspects, running here in the asphalt with the supers and then coming here with the dirt cars. So
yeah.
It's pretty fun.
It's the same, but it's different.
Yes, it's definitely different.
Somebody had a thing on Facebook the other day. They showed a picture of the bathroom there, and they said, think of all the legends who have gone to the bathroom in this little trough over here. Yeah, I know. I thought that was kind of interesting, though. It's like,
so
yeah, that
all
is.
The cars and traffic's going to exit out of here now, so we're not so congested over there.
That's
Boulevard,
smart.
And we'll cross right here and come out through gate 2 and down the hill and back to your pits.
Ooh, we got a little bit to do there still.
Can't go too much because the track, had to be built off the asphalt height, but then you got your 8 inches of clay, so you got a couple bumps there, but it'll be a good as of a transition that we can. A lot of this area is a lot drier over here. In years past, we were never able to really park any vehicles down there.
And this is the end of part 1. I'm going to start another part here. I don't want to go too long, so hold on, guys.